getting the slimy garment to stay. Kyle opted to stick them to his body with hot glue. Hello to everyone who yells out every single Agent Lover they see whenever they're in public. It's your girl Lindsay Celery here, and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Kyle is Famous. I think this is like a choose your own adventure type of thing, or like not choose your adventure. Like you just we'll see. I know little to this game. I know little about any of the games I play unless it's Minecraft. Where's my mouse? Okay, so let's start. Kyle woke up. He is famous. Kyle is host of the most popular talk show in recent memory, Stay Up Late with Kyle. Stay Up Late with Kyle has grown in popularity quickly in the past year, and the public has noticed. Kyle Inside has called Kyle a most excellent dumpy white man. Top Tech noted that Kyle is inspiring youth to explore STEM fields. Most other talk shows are dedicated to discussing Kyle and his personal details. Most online videos are best of clips taken from Kyle's latest broadcast. The eye of the world is upon Kyle. Tonight is Kyle's most important guest interview yet. Stay Up Late with Kyle will be featuring Rachel May. She is a kind and loving philanthropist. I'm gonna have to Google that.
Philanthropist.
I know that. Philanthropist. She is dear to the hearts of many. This interview requires preparation. Kyle cracked his eye open, knowing today is the last chance to prepare for the interview. Kyle has 30 hours left. If today is the interview, why does he have 30 hours? He must choose his actions wisely. Is this Minecraft? I know Minecraft. Oh, it has the interview. Oh, we're in bed? Okay, let's exit bed. Kyle exited his bed and took a glance around his room. Opened the closet. Scavenge. Let's scavenge. Need for How has it been 3 hours already? Okay. Oh! An hour goes down with everything. I heard Rachel May is on a trip out of the country soon. Oh, girlfriend, tell me more. Well, what I will tell you is that every night I don a mask that looks like a bug and fight misdoers. Spider-Man? There was a stunned silence. Then a door opened and someone exited the neighbor's apartment. Oh my god, I can't read. Kyle returned to the center of the bedroom. Let's open the closet. Kyle opened the closet. It is dark and he only sees his hanging shirt. Let's choose an outfit. Okay. That's a choice. Is it bad that I want to pick the bad ones? It's skunk flesh! I thought it was just a pattern. This makes it so much worse. Getting the slimy garment to stay. Kyle opted to stick them to his body with hot glue. Kyle returned to the center of his bedroom. Let's exit. Kyle walked into the small hallway that connected the rooms to his apartment. Let's check lock door. And found quickly the door was locked from the inside. It's best to try to force the door open with his face. After smashing his features into the solid wood for several minutes, Kyle gains short-term amnesia. Kyle walked into the small hallway. Let's go to the kitchen. Walked in the kitchen. Open fridge. Eat the fridge! Eat crust on fridge wall. Which one's, I'm gonna do that. While scraping streaks of crud and spots of mold off the walls of the fridge. I don't like the sound effect. How has it been so many hours past already? After waddling into the crusty ball, Kyle popped it into his mouth and began to chew. Several minutes of crunching later, finished and swallowed the ball whole and felt sticky in his stomach. Walked to the center of the kitchen, checked the pantry, found that there was locked with a small keyhole. Let's go back to the hallway. Let's leave the apartment. Road. Should we visit Spider-Man? We can visit there's 3 hours. Let's visit Spider-Man. Neighbor's door. Middle-aged woman named Gabby answered the door. Great and start conversation. Good morning, neighbor, said Kyle cheerily. Gabby looked at Kyle expectantly. Gabby, are you the bug vigilante? We are out of time. For a moment, Gabby looked stunned, then she realized his seriousness. Gabby nodded once. The door shut in Kyle's face. Showtime. Sitting across his host chair was a glamorous woman with an air of genuinity. Kyle approached her. Rachel looked up and smiled. Good evening, Kyle, she said. Looked at him in the eyes. I've been looking forward to being here. Kyle responded. Forgot her name from Amnesia. Hello? You? Kyle's ears began ringing from his concussion. More. Rachel looked at Kyle, slightly confused, but continued smiling. Before she noticed the gaze look in Kyle's eyes, the producer approached. Time to get started, he said, putting a hand on Kyle's shoulder. Let's get stationed. Kyle sat at the nearest chair, which was Rachel's. After a moment, Rachel hesitantly sat in the host chair. After seating, the studio lights brighten and the cameras click on. Good morning, everyone. My name is, Kyle made a desperate effort to remember his name, or really anything. Kyle looked at Rachel. Do you know who I am? He asked. Rachel looked back confused. Well, who are you? Well, if you're not Kyle, I don't know who you are. Rachel smiled sweetly. Kyle made up his mind that he was probably Kyle. Well, he said, I'm Kyle, and a long silence followed. Eventually, Rachel spoke again. And I'm Rachel. Hi, everyone, she waved. Hi, Rachel, said Kyle. So why are you here? Rachel was visibly worried. Ha, funny. Weren't you planning on asking me any questions? I mean, I don't have any ideas. Kyle kept staring at Rachel. Somebody coughed. Kyle looked around and noticed the crew. Who on earth are all of you? He asked. Nobody answered. Kyle got out of his chair and walked off frame, leaving Rachel and millions of viewers alone. Rachel smiled at the camera. Well, she said, time to tell you some knock-knock jokes. Eventually, the producer ended the broadcast early due to technical issues. Kyle woke up in his bed the next day, remembering nothing about what happened. Kyle forgot everything. Restart? Okay, let's restart. No, okay, I'll do Wither Away next time. Let's do sit on desk. Read notes for interview. Are you a mother? Am I a mother? Is your mother a mother? Are you a mother? Um, diet tips. Beef mashed or blended? And have you eaten a whole raw egg? Let's do some diet tips. Funniest story. I purposely ran over a puppy? Funniest story. Guilty pleasure. Are you guilty? I love how it's all in caps. Guilty pleasure. Okay, back. Check. The desk drawer. The key could be to the pantry. Let's get the key. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the room. Let's change. We'll choose an outfit. We're gonna get a slick suit. It seemed like the skunk thing didn't do much. We're gonna go. No, okay. Let's go to the kitchen and check the pantry. Unlock with a small key. Okay, look in the pantry. Inside was assorted canned goods. Chuck a bottle of lard. Grab a bottle of lard. Why is it both? Why does he have a lot of lard? Oh my god, there's 7 hours left. Okay, so let's ignore the pantry. Open the fridge. We might be hungry. Prepare breakfast. Eat. Okay. That was a weird sound effect. Return to the hallway. Let's leave the apartment and visit the tech store. Hurried to the set. Sitting in a chair, woman, Rachel, smile, approach Rachel. Good evening, I've been looking forward to being here. Kyle responded. Scream and spin insert. I'm gonna do that next time. Okay. Let's answer politely. Okay, you are a most welcome guest. After another mild exchange of pleasantries, Kyle and Rachel were prompted to take their places in the broadcast. Start broadcast. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Stay Up Late with Kyle. Introduce Rachel. Today, I have the pleasure of interviewing the lovely Rachel May, who needs no more introduction. Hello, Kyle. I'm glad to be here. Well, I'm sure we'll have a lot to discuss, so we might as well dive right in. I'm very ready, Rachel said with a winning smile. Okay, produce notes Incan earlier. So, she's a philanthropist. Let's do funniest story first, I feel like. You've been involved in a lot of different things, but what's your funniest story? Well, that's a great question, Kyle. I think I've always remembered the first time I tried to make dinner for my family. In the soup I made, I swapped out the water with milk and tipped the whole jar of salt in the pot. While my family was sick from trying to eat it, I swiped other things and locked myself in a room. I don't think you should laugh about that. Kyle decided to move on. Another question. Guilty pleasure. We all have one. What's your guilty pleasure? Ooh, that's easy. Dipping pickles in chocolate sauce. To be fair, I don't like pickles. It might sound strange, but it's tangy and sweet at the same time, and I've eaten okay. Another question. Does it matter? Let's do mother. Are you a mother? Well, I'm a single woman with a career. That's not something that's crossed my mind. Smiled gently at Kyle. Very reasonable decision, Kyle referred to his paper's question. Oh, okay, so we're asking all the questions. Some diet tips. Keep such a thin and healthy figure. What's your best diet tip? Starts a plan and don't break it. Cheat days can turn into a habit, but that doesn't mean a midnight snack here and there isn't allowed. Looked at his flabby self and decided not to comment. After reading his final questions, Kyle looked up from his paper. Well, Rachel, I think that's all we were planning on asking you. If that's the case, Kyle, might I ask you something in return? Sure. How do you prepare for your interviews in advance? Because you seem very together. Before Kyle could answer, the camera shut down. The broadcast was over. Returned home knowing the interview had gone well. Okay. Perhaps something was still missing. Okay. Prepared very well. There's something missing. I don't know how many endings there are. Let's do another bad one where we just wither away. Oh. Kyle is not a. He's a ghost! This is not relieving responsibilities. Lance. Let's do resources. Comb through pile of filth and mold. Helpful items. After finding you found something more important. It was the corpse. It was the corpse of Harry, a friend that had gone missing years ago while at Kyle's house. He was glad to see him again, but he was unsure whether to interrupt such an important day with Harry's business. Deal with Harry. He's a ghost, so how's he hoisting Harry on his shoulder to take him outside? Harry's body down the street, drawn by stairs. Kyle knew exactly where he needed to take Harry's corpse. On a lovely play date, just the two of them. Kyle and Harry started at the arcade. Kyle used Harry's arms to operate the joystick and push the buttons. After 5 or 6 different games, the two friends had enough tickets for a single That's actually really sad. They took their prize to the local park for eating. Kyle tried to feed some of the chocolate bar to Harry, but Harry seemed to not have an appetite. Maybe because he's dead? After eating, Kyle noticed a nearby playground. He dragged Harry over. Kyle tried to figure out a way to swing Harry on the swing set, but the lack of stability of grip, Harry kept falling out. Instead, Kyle started to lug Harry to the top of the slide and shove him down time and time again. Finally, Kyle took Harry to the movies to see many popular films as their pocket change allowed. Kyle quickly found that he had no such pocket change, and he searched Harry's pockets until he found his wallet. Kyle bought 2 tickets to A Love Romance. After getting inside, Kyle left Harry to find a restroom. By the time Kyle finished using the restroom he had forgotten, he brought Harry along. He watched Love and Romance by himself. Harry's corpse sat on the bench in the auditorium. While Kyle was in the movie, a beautiful thing happened. Harry's corpse imbued with the power of friendship and love and was reanimated. This is an episode of Fairy Tale. That's probably like a niche joke people might not guess. Oh well. Harry's old rotten flesh gained life and color. His fingernails regrew and his missing eye came back. By the time the movie was over, Harry was able to greet Kyle with a large friendly hug. Isn't he still a ghost though? Kyle was confused but delighted to have a long lost best friend meet him on the way of the theater. Two made plans to get drinks together and parted ways for the day. Kyle returned home, forgetting about the interview with Rachel. Helped a friend. Let's try exit the bed. Bugs. Started poking between the carpet, hoping to catch a stray beetle or two. Soon he found a handful of very insect. Let's use for later. I don't like these sound effects. I want to do. Oh, I didn't see this before. Knelt down, rusty locker, kept in closet for ages. Back to wait. Hold on, what did that say? Had a blade-shaped slot on the top. See, I feel like there's something. Hold on. Let's get the desk flashlight. wait, we can probably get CDs? And maybe we can put it in the locker or not. Never mind. Oh, we have 5 minutes left. Just check the drawer. Flashlight. Let's get a flashlight. Okay. Oh, we're done. Oh. Oh. Smile. Had not put on clothes! Oh wait, I didn't do that. That's my fault. Oops. Kyle waved, smiled broadly, uncomfortable eyes. Okay, she's uncomfortable about this, but not the skunk. It had become apparent that Kyle had no intention on leaving Rachel on the set. Left all alone. Being a nudist. I want to know what's in the locked door. Oh shoot, wait. I should put clothes on. Okay. Maybe fine. Check locked door. Oh. Maybe we find something in the lard. Oh shoot, no, I need the... Hold on, I'm wasting too much time. Oh, you have to be really calculated about what you do. Small key. Back to desk. Check drawer. Flashlight. Back to desk. Check drawer. Oh shoot, no. Frick. Back to desk. Check drawer. Sorted change. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm gonna say maybe we can use the change for what's his face? Harry. Because we go to see a movie. Okay. Notes to interview. Is your mother a mother? Beef. Okay. I don't know what ending this would be. I don't know what I was doing this entire time. Your coward. Oh shoot. I didn't read that. Oops. Prompted. This is the same stuff. Stay play with Kyle. Introduce Rachel. Produce CD. Become Rachel May. More. Oh, I should have done the CD. Kyle collapsed on the floor. Not eating anything. Oh. 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 Okay. That one was not very calculated. I think I'm gonna get the spare change and do the Harry thing first. And then I'll do the CD at the interview. Okay, so let's exit the bed. Let's put some clothes on. Let's do the suit. His dumpy body. Random knickknacks. Okay, and then sit on the desk. Check the drawer. Get assorted change. And then back to room. Scavenge. Resources. More. Deal with Harry. Okay, dragging Harry's on the street. Harry's corpse on a lovely plate. Just the two of them. Joysticks. Game, candy bar, local hotel. Seem to not have appetite. Movies. So the pocket change allowed. Kyle had plenty of pocket change, but eagerly approached the ticket window. Bought 2 tickets and left Harry to go inside the restroom. By the time Harry forgot Harry along, loved romance, corpse at the beach. New thing happened. Corpse. Team main plan drank part away for the day. Okay, so that's the same ending, but this time we just don't steal Harry's wallet. Which I guess is slightly more moral. But then again, there was a corpse in our room. For some reason. Did we kill Harry? That's my best guess. Okay. Put some clothes on. Suit. Back to room. Sit on the desk. Check the drawers. CD. I feel like each CD does something different. So maybe we'll do carnival music. I'll just go in the order. Room. Let's go eat kitchen, or not eat kitchen. Let's just prepare breakfast and then eat. Turn the kitchen. Turn to the hallway. Leave the apartment. Okay. So visit the tech store. Techno gym. Steal Techno gym. Let's ask for free samples. Okay. Beg for a free sample. Kali. Grab with teeth. Creating several punctures on the screen more. The phone is now Kyle's to use forever. Okay. This phone is several years old. Feeling he made his argument, he decided to leave. Okay. I don't know what that was. Kyle approached her. Rachel looked at him and smiled. Hello, Kyle. Been looking forward. Kyle responded. Let's respond politely first. Shake hands. Pleasantries. Start broadcast. Introduce Rachel. Produce the CD. More. Hush. I need to do something before we can continue. Kyle removed the CD and he had brought in for the interview and placed it in a nearby player deck. More. Link expression on her face. Smiling, closed eyes, enjoying the music before he spoke. Alright, now let's begin. Started an interview, had never bothered to promote. Let's play dead. So Kyle did not respond. Hope nobody would ask questions. Kyle, are you pretending to play dead? I see you breathing. Kyle held his breath. The producer whispered to Rachel, give him a couple slaps across his face to see if he wakes up. Rachel got from the chair and slapped Kyle firmly across the face. Kyle slapped Kyle continuously, trying to get him to stop play acting. Other members of the crew stepped into the frame, started slapping Kyle as well. With the carnival music, this makes it so much funnier. Soon Kyle was lost in the amassment of people around him, all the slapping in the face with both of his hands. Slap went on for many hours. Kyle did not wake up. Eventually, Kyle did not need to pretend to be unconscious. Browse social. Okay, this is a different one. This is new. Scroll through articles on his phone, read article. State play with Kyle's ranked #1 and #2 show on television. Wait, how are we both? How are we 1 and 2? New East Bridge began construction after found not actually exist. Authorities investigating. Grand launching crime scene spray. Evidence points to predator leaving the country. Rachel May is unexpectedly leave the country on very, very long vacation after an interview tonight. Who is the bug vigilante? Kyle fails to show up to several charity. Okay. Bug vigilante shows up to charity events With fresh baked pastries, donations flourish. Hot dogs make phone model called Techno Gym stores blame overuse by customers. Okay. What? I want to try eating lard. Oh, I need to get the key. Forgot about the key. This is taking more time. Okay, check in desk drawer. Key back. Back to room, back to hallway. Move to kitchen, check the pantry. Lock with small key, look in pantry. Let's grab the bottle. Let's eat the fridge. He started to swallow, and one fridge, after many gulps and plops, felt really sure the fridge would not come back out. What is this? Bad. Okay, that's the bad food again. Not put clothes on again. Forgot about that. So if we don't put clothes, no matter what else we do, we're a nudist. Okay. We still have the broken phone. Is this like a Groundhog Day type of thing? It could be. Oh my god, is it? It was dark and could only see. Wait, the flashlight. You're my flashlight. Packed room, open closet. Can we use the flashlight? Can we not use the Can we not? So we can't use the flashlight. Let's do the armor. We haven't done the armor yet. Oh, we can knock down the door maybe because we have armor. Oh. Space. Oh, never mind. But we have armor on. Let's leave the apartment. Let's visit the downstairs neighbors. Knock. Gabby is screaming. Consume! Let's consume. Oh wait, we can get our phone fixed. Steal Techno Gym. Give a review. See, is this like a Groundhog Day type of thing? 'Cause we still have the broken phone, and some of the options we got before we don't have access to. Approach Rachel, smile, good evening Kyle, looking forward to be here. Hello. This is just gonna be the unconscious route again. Yeah, this is just the unconscious. Okay, I'm gonna see. Wait, does it show? Deans. Oh, okay. So this is a key. Oh, whoa, that's a lot of endings. Okay. Okay. Around town. Okay. So I think, okay, there's the key for this. So I'm guessing we need the key for something here. And then the key here. And there's like another key. I don't know what that means. Okay. Let's try and go out with the key. Okay. Exit. See, we still have the broken phone. So let's get the small key. Back to desk. Back to room. Put some outfits on. Okay, exits. Let's eat something. Let's smash it. To a pulp using both fists. Okay. I don't know why I did that. Leave the apartment. More. Start conversation. Ask Gabby about Kyle. Gabby, how do you feel about me? Even the worst men are giving grace Kyle, though they don't deserve. She finishes the sentence, push Kyle away. Okay. What? Steal Techno Gym. Finding Techno Gym's cardboard upstairs. More. Sabotage Techno Gym broke free, leaving one foot and one left behind. Glance at the attendant who is staring bewildered man outside. Continue the day. Turn to the apartment. More. Okay. Seeing this host chair, approach Rachel. Interview Techno Gym instead. Verbally out. Hello, Techno Gym. I'm going to interview today. Cal gashed Techno Gym's hand and tried to shake it, but instead tore it off the cardboard frame. Cal's producers, sensing viral media, pulled the bewildered Rachel out of frame and motioned the crew to go live. I'm Kyle, and tonight we're going to be interviewing a very special guest. He pointed at Techno Gym using the dismembered arm. Techno Gym started to smoke from the heat of the lights. Would you like to introduce yourself? Knowing Jim would probably not speak. I wonder why. Kyle took it upon himself to be his voice as well. Hi, Kyle, he said, raising the pitch of his voice. My name is Rachel May, and I'm a very special guest. Why am I Southern? Rachel's expression turned in confusion and shock. Well, Rachel, you look way too thin and absolutely terrible. You should be feeling ugly. Wow, Kyle, he said. I sure wish I could look like you. Techno Gym burst into flames. Instantaneously, the sprinkler system initiated. Curtains of water poured down the rafters. Within seconds, the production equipment was doused in water. The set soon burst with electrical fires. Kyle's crew abandoned their post as cameraman and sound mixers to try to put the fires out. As the crew scrambled around, the cameras continued to run. Kyle sat motionless and staring forward. Eventually, the fires were put out. Kyle's producer shut off the broadcast, leaving Kyle's vacant stare at the final frame. Kyle's ratings skyrocketed. Techno Gym became a staple to the show, often ended up destroying at the end of each episode. Although Rachel did not come back to the show, her cardboard portrayal of Rachel was very popular. That was something. I want to know what's inside that door. We have to use the flashlight for something. Let's try... Oh, shoot. Okay. Back to room. Check locked door. Let's leave the apartment. No. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what else I could do. See, I feel like you would be able to use... Because it was dark and he could only really see his hanging shirts. So I feel like... Blade-shaped slot on the top. Choose an outfit, suit, the desk, interview notes, to your mother. You ever eaten a wrong egg? Let's just do the bad ones. Back to desk. Oh, no! We didn't get to eat! Ugh, I'm gonna restart this. Notes. Am I a mother? Let's do this one, and then purposely ran over a pea. Are you guilty? Okay. Exit bedroom to hallway. Let's eat. Now let's eat condiments. Swallows. Spewed cross comment slurry covering the French. Oh. Okay. Another time. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Let's do the bad interview. Good evening, Kyle responded. Scream and spin in circles. Interrupted by a producer telling him and Rachel. Okay. Insist. Okay, start the interview. That didn't seem to do anything. Sample Kyle, blah blah blah. Become Rachel May. However, Rachel May is not sitting next to me. She is not new to this show. She did not walk in before me. In fact, I am Rachel May. Okay. Kyle stood up quickly and threw his arms high above, pointing upwards. I have never been Kyle, he proclaims. I have never been the host of Stay Up Late with Kyle. I am here for a reason to interview myself. Are you a mother? Well, I'm glad you asked. I have produced many, many children. In fact, one of my children is sitting here with me today. I am your mother. Give me a big hug, daughter. The moment Rachel shrugged and gave Kyle a hug. The interview continued. Kyle, okay. For this episode, Rachel's childhood and family became a debate topic in her fan base. When fans asked Rachel about the matter, she would giggle and make a joke about the interview. Scientists and fans began to dig deep, finding evidence both for and against the Rachel is Kyle's mother theory. Is this the FNAF fandom? But no matter how much anyone dug, nobody was able to come to a conclusion on the matter. Created a public mystery. Okay. This time, I'm actually going to do the bad interview instead of going off task. Why did I go in here? You know what? Let's get SAD. Let's take classical music, okay? Notes. Am I a mother? Beef mashed. Purposely ran a puppy. Are you guilty? Back to desk. Back to room. Let's get dressed. Choose an outfit. Slick suit. Back to room. Exit hallway. Let's eat something. Come on. Open breakfast. Eat. Yum. Delicious. Back to hallway. Okay. Good food. Suit. Notes. Old CD. Broken phone still. Let's get a flashlight. I don't know why. Maybe we need the flashlight. Sit at desk. Check drawer. Get the flashlight. Back to desk. Okay, hurry to set. Glamorous woman. All this jazz we've done so many times. Answer politely. Shake hands. More. Start broadcast. Introduce Rachel. Produce CD. Huh? Hush. Continue. Enter CD player. Okay. Start interviewing Rachel. Am I a mother? Rachel, am I a mother? Looked at her very seriously. I'm sorry, Kyle. What on earth is this music? It's very, well, it's something. It's an old favorite, Rachel. This is what I grew up on. It's the most special collection. More. The wall exploded! Tall step men, dazzling flamboyant costumes, guard instruments. Kyle, we are the band of your childhood. Is it One Direction? He puts your hands under his arms sparkled. We have come to issue grievance about without a license. So hours of grievance were paid. The whole crane in the wall. Lay on the floor thinking about what happened. Rachel slid slowly to the side. Are you feeling okay, Kyle? Have you ever met your childhood idol, Rachel, the person you look up to for so long as you can remember? I can't say I have. Rachel raised Kyle. Oh my god. Kyle raised both of his fists in the air. It feels amazing. Okay, so we're back with Rachel again. Shake hands, da-da, stay up late, produce CD. Well, I guess we can blame Rachel. In fact, I would rather interview a fish than I would with you. And furthermore, I'm not sure I could tell the difference between you and a fish. This was a lot. There's obviously a lot of different routes we could take. And I might have to look into more stuff we could do, because I want to find what's in the locker. There's more stuff you can do outside, but it doesn't give you the option, for me at least right now. And then Harry, and also the one caraway. Let me see. Let's go to the main menu, and then it shows endings. Where's the good ending? This one. This one, they said that there was something missing. Based on the articles, I'm thinking there's more stuff to do with the bug vigilante. But I don't know. I might have to look into more stuff to do. But this was fun. This is really cool. I love games that have like different endings. I think it's really fun and snazzy. But that's it for today, at least. I might do a part 2 on this because this is really interesting and a lot of fun. But I don't know where else. I don't think the CDs might have different endings. I don't know. We'll see. There's a lot of endings, so a lot of things could have a lot of different endings. But we'll see. I said that like 20 times already. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that jazz. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.